Ukraine, France, Sweden and Spain.
Cooking German. Classic German pretzels. Twist your way through German tradition by making pretzels, learning the art of shaping and baking these iconic salty snacks with a fun and hands-on approach.
Hello and welcome, it's Mark for Future, and today we're coming back to our own continent of Asia. C. China. I. India. M. Mongolia. Countries of Asia. T. Thailand. T. Taipei. T. Taiwan. Countries of Asia. J. Japan. K. Korea. S. Singapore. Countries of Asia. V. Vietnam. L. Laos. P. Philippines. Countries of Asia. C. Cambodia. B. Bangladesh. N. Nepal. Countries of Asia. G. Georgia.